Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today is SnackCrate day. I will say I am a little late on this one. I recorded this video about 2 weeks ago, and then sadly for some reason when I did it with my niece, the audio you could hear, but the actual video itself, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. So when I was trying to upload it, I think like a week and a half ago, it just, no bueno. So we're gonna redo it all over again. SnackCrate for December edition is here. Sadly, my niece is not here this time to do it with me, but she gave me the approval to do it for you guys by myself. So this time we're in what? Switzerland. This month's crate is from Switzerland. Again, fun facts about Switzerland. If any of you guys don't know, SnackCrate sends you snacks. You can have the basic package, which I do. I think it's $27.50. I have about 10 to 15 items that get shipped to me once a month from a different country, or upgrade to a different box if you want. That one comes with actual soda and a little bit more of full actual items, but I'm perfectly fine with just getting the $27.50 one, just because a lot of this stuff is sugar and I really don't like chocolate or a lot of sugar. So I'm kind of hoping that I can find something that has a little bit more savory stuff than the sugar, but it's cool. Again, so the box comes with all the items, but I don't like to look at that until after the fact. But it kind of gives you an idea of what you could get in your box. All right, so let's open this bad boy. My son already got into my SnackCrate, so he stole my SnackCrate sticker that normally comes with my SnackCrate. But these are the Switzerland stickers. I've been keeping all of my SnackCrate boxes just because I like the stickers, so I'm keeping all of them as mementos. So the first item, are these Snackit Switzerland Dancer Cream Snackit. Looks like a little surfer, actually, riding some waves. I dig it. I dig it. All right, let's see. Oh, look. It's like a little surfer. Okay, these taste like Funyuns. I am not a Funyuns person. No. This one is called Milka, a Chocohoo wafer. My son wanted a bite of it, so I had to open it, so I apologize. This is actually not bad. It's a wafer. It's not too chocolatey, which I appreciate. It doesn't taste stale, which, if you guys watched the last month, or last month's box, that shit was stale. Okay, moving on. These are the Wave Chips Inferno Switzerland. Look like this. Ooh. I like these ones. Oh yeah. I'm digging these. All right. The next, I can't speak today. The next one is the Prickle It and Infuriate Classic. So it looks like it's sweet tarts in some way. Let's see. Oop, did you see that? Did you see that sugar right there? Oh yeah. It's sweet tarts. Like super excited about. It's Haribo Kinder Fourth. These are little cupcakes. They look like this. And they're actually the icing of a cupcake. So they're gummy. Look like this. They all smell the same. So it's like a texture of a marshmallow and a gummy bear. Oh wait, that one tasted different. Okay. I just had lemon. And the first one I had was vanilla. Could I eat this whole bag? No. Would I want to eat the whole bag? No. Moving on. Ooh. Guys, this one looks awesome. This is a Lindor Hello Strawberry Cheesecake Bar. Oh my God. Look. Alright, smells like cheesecake. Look at that. So it's got the little red flakes in it. There's 6 of these little baby bars in here. Oh my God. This is so good. I will say though, I don't know if I could eat this whole thing because it's really rich. But if you like cheesecake, get this. Get it. Get it. If you're ever in Switzerland, get it. So, this is one of my favorites. Alright. The next one is the Rica Original Chips. Again, Zifferville. I'm assuming from Switzerland. Like this. These smell like barbecue. I'm totally liking this one. Oh God. I could eat this whole freaking bag. Damn, this is good. Put it down, put it down. I'm gonna put this one over here because I'm probably gonna eat the whole day back. The next one is Sugas. They always send me about 4 or 5 of these different ones. They have a maroon one, an orange one, a yellow one, and a red one. So, let's see. Looks like this. Oh, God. I'm gonna have a broke jaw after this. I see it already. It tastes pretty good. It reminds me of Laffy Taffy. Or, what is your damn? Hold please. 9 hours later. It reminds me of that, I think it's a Willy Wonka. It has like nerds on it, and it's hard. It's almost like a Laffy Taffy, and it has the nerds on it. I'm hoping you guys can help me out in thinking read my thoughts on what I'm trying to say. But it's like this long, it's thin, or it's wrapped around, and it has nerds on it. That's what this tasted like. I know that was a real long explanation. And of course, these damn things just... Oh God, no. No. Why did I do that? Alright. Woo! Alright. This one is called Muns. Anything else? And I accidentally ripped it just now. Oh, of course. And I'm ripping it again. Okay. So, Muns. Alright, let's see. And it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4 for these small little pieces. I believe. Yeah, because it broke. It's already broke. Looks like that. Looks like pure chocolate. Yeah. So it's white chocolate around the outside, and then a gooey chocolate inside. It's not bad. It's not very chocolatey either, which I appreciate because it's not very chocolatey. Ooh, you guys didn't see that. And then the last thing is, this literally reminds me of Cadbury, but yeah. So the Muns right here, this chocolate walnut situation, is the same thing that is in this. So this is a bar. I believe it's walnuts in the bar. And this thing is huge. So they sent me a full-on bar. There's the nut. Tastes like, yeah, walnut. Ooh, there we go. Ooh. And it's from Califer. Really like the nuts. Again, it's not that sweet when you have the nuts in it. I guess it's because it's balancing it out for you. But if you had a piece that didn't have the nuts in it, I wouldn't want it. Because, I mean, it's rich. It's very rich. Don't judge me, okay? I wanted another bite. This is called Cola for Chili, and it's actually in the shape of a frog. I don't know how that's considered cola, but It's not. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Again, this is the snack crate for December's. Again, I apologize for not getting it out to you guys sooner. I am 2 weeks late. I tried to do the video and somehow it just messed up. But I absolutely could not remember any of these tastes because it was a while ago. I appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me today. This is, again, the box from Switzerland. I did find out that I do have a code from SnackCrate, so I will link it down below for you guys. So if you want to get, I believe it's $5 off your first box, you can use my code and then you should be able to get it. If you have any questions, let me know. Until next time.